Hi students, this is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor of Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class we discussed applications of dimension analysis. There are three applications of dimension analysis. The first one is the conservation of one system unit into another system. For example, one system of unit into another system. The one system example CGS system, the one system. The other system is SI system. To convert into CGS system to SI system, or the SI system convert into CGS system is the conversion of one unit into another system. The example of conversion of Newton into Dienes. Newton into Dienes. The SI unit of force is Newton. The CGS unit force in Dienes. First of all, what is the force? What is the force? The formula force, mass into acceleration. Mass into acceleration. The mass, the m, or mass into the another definition is the acceleration. What is the acceleration? The rate of change of velocity is called acceleration. Velocity by time. Velocity by time. The acceleration formula. Next one is the another definition is the velocity. Mass into. What is the velocity? Change in displacement. Displacement by time. Time by time is the time square. The displacement by time whole square. This is the force formula. Next one is the SI unit of force. The SI unit of force. The SI unit of force is Newton. Next one is the CGS unit. Is the Dien or Dienes. The Dien. The question conversion of Newton into Dienes. So the SI unit of force is Newton. The CGS unit of force is Dien. The dimensional formula force M L T to the power of minus 2. The square bracket of M L T to the power of minus 2. The next one is the CGS system. CGS system of force. The mass, the C for centimeter, gram, second. In CGS system, the force is the centimeter, G for gram, S for second. Next one is the SI. It represents in the SI system of force. The SI system, meter, kilogram is the kg, is the second. Repeat once again. The force. The CGS system of force. C stands for centimeter. G stands for gram. S stands for second. Next one the SI system of force. Meter, kilogram, second. Next one is the formula of the CGS formula and SI formula. Next one is the dimension formula of force in CGS system and SI system. In CGS system, the dimensional formula of force. M1 L1 T1 power of minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of force in CGS system. M means the gram. L1 means is the centimeter. Time means second. Repeat once again. The CGS system of force in dimensional formula. M1 L1 T1 power of minus 2. M1 represents the gram. L1 represents the centimeter. T1 represents second. Next one is the in SI system the dimension formula force m2 L2 T2 power of minus 2 m2 is the reference kilogram, L2 represents is the meter, T2 represents second. The SI system of mass is the kilogram, the SI system of length is meter, the SI system of time is second. This is the M1 L1 T1 M2 L2 T2 the CGS system. Another one is the SI system. N1 N1 comma N2 numerical values in CGS system and SI system respectively. Therefore from the principle of homogeneity of dimensions, the principle of homogeneity N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. N1 U1 is the numerical values, U1 U2. U1 means CGS system in force equal to N1, N2 U2 means SI system in force. Repeat once again the principle of homogeneity of dimensions N1 U1 equal to N2 U2. N1 N2 is the numerical values in CGS system and SI system respectively. Another one is U1 U2. U1 means is the CGS system in force. Next one U2 SI system in force. What is U1 means? The CGS system in force N1 into CGS system the M1 L1 T1 power of minus 2. This is the CGS, the dimension formula of force in CGS system. Next one is the N2 into U2. U2 means the dimension formula of force in SI system M2 L2 T2 power of minus 2. M1 L1 T1 is the CGS system in force, the dimension formula M2 L2 T2 the dimension formula of force in SI system. Next one is the N1 into M1 L1 T1 power of minus 2 is the cross multiplication to transfer to RHS side. The LHS side M1 L1 T1 to transfer to RHS side N1 equal, therefore N1 equal N2 into M2 L2 T2 power of minus 2 by M1 L1 T1 power of minus 2. Repeat once again is the multiplication LHS side to transfer to RHS side. The multiplication transfer to RHS side is the division M1 L1 T1 power of minus 2. If or we are assuming N2 is equal to 1, therefore N1 equal to M2 L2 T2 power of minus 2 by M1 L1 T1 power of minus 2. Therefore N1 equal to 1 into M2 L2 T2 power of minus 2 M1 L1 T1 power of minus 2 to divide into M1 values, L values, T values. Therefore M2 by M1 L2 by L1 T2 by T1. The power is same minus 2 T2 by T1 power of minus 2. M2 the SI unit of the M2 is the kilogram, kg. M1 the it represents CGS system. M1 means the mass is the gram. Next one is the L2. L2 is represent the SI system of L2 is the meter by L1 in L1 is the CGS system is the centimeter. Next one the SI system and CGS system is the T2 T1 is the time is the second S by S. Repeat once again M2 the SI system of M2 is the kilogram. M2 means the mass. The CJ system of mass is gram. Next one L2. The SI system of length is the meter. The CG system of L1 length is centimeter. T2 by T1. The CJs and SI system of time is second. Second by second is the cancels the 1. 1 power of minus 2 equal to 1. Next one kg by gram, meter by centimeter into 1. To convert into 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. Next one is the meter, the centimeter. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. To substituting this values in equation, therefore 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. 1000 grams by G. Next one is the meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters by centimeter into 1. Repeat once again. Kilogram by grams. To convert into grams, kilograms. 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Next one is the meter, centimeters. The meters convert into centimeters. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So 1 kg is equal to 1000 meters. Substituting this equation, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams by grams G into 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters by centimeters. Gram cancel, centimeter 1000 into N1 equal to 1000 into 100. N1 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 to the power of 5. The dynes. N1 means the 1 Newton. 1 Newton equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. The system convert into one system to another system. The SI system convert into CGS system. This is the first one. Repeat once again. First of all, what is the force? The dimensional formula of force. Next one is the SI unit and CGS unit of force. Next one is the N1 U2 is the numerical values. The principle of homogeneity of dimensions. N1 U1 is equal to N2 U2. The substituting equation N1 into M1 L1 T1 power minus 2 equal to N2 M2 L2 T power of minus 2. ఈక్వేషన్ సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ ఇది వస్తుంది. కిలోగ్రామ్ బై గ్రామ్, మీటర్ బై సెకండ్. దెర్ ఈస్ నో కన్ఫ్యూజ్. టు కన్వర్ట్ ఇంటూ గ్రామ్స్, kilograms convert into grams, meters is convert into centimeters. Last final answer, 1 Newton is equal to 10 to the power of 5 dynes. Newton is the SI system, dynes is the CJ system. So system, one system convert into another system. The second one application is checking the correctness of an equation. Checking the correctness of an equation. Consider the equation. For example, S is equal ut plus of 80 square. S means is the distance. The dimension formula of distance means the length, the capital L. Next one is the initial velocity. Initial velocity means is the displacement by time. Displacement by time is the velocity formula. The dimension formula of initial velocity. Displacement, the dimension formula of displacement L. Next one is the time. The dimension formula of time is T, L by T. Next one is the acceleration. The formula of acceleration, change in velocity is called acceleration. Next one, another definition of the velocity, change in displacement is called velocity. So the formula of acceleration L by T square. L means is the displacement by time means T square. Next one, the dimension formula of acceleration L by T square. The last one is the time. The dimension formula of time is capital T. This is the dimension formula of S is the distance, initial velocity, acceleration, time. From equation number 1, the S is equation number 2, U is the equation number 3, A is the equation number 4, T is the equation number 5. This value is S, U, A, T. Value substituting equation number 1. Substituting equation 2, 3, 4, 5. Substituting equation number 1. The dimensional formula of distance L. Next one. The dimension formula of initial velocity L t to the power of minus 1. The dimension formula of t is the time into t plus 1 by 2. The dimension formula of acceleration L into t to the power of minus 2. Next one, the t square. The dimension formula of t is the t square. L equal to t power of minus 1 t. The bases or t are equal to add the powers. L into t to the power of minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by 2. L into the bases t are equal to adding the powers. T power of minus 2 plus 2. L equal to L into t minus 1 plus 1 equal 0. T power of 0 plus 1 by 2. L into t power of minus 2 plus 2. T power of 0. Therefore, L equal to L. T power of 0 means 1 plus 1 by 2. L. T power of 0 equal to 1. Next one, L equal to L into 1 equal to L plus 1 by 2 into L. The 1 by 2 is the numerator, is the number, is the dimensionless. There is no dimension. So therefore L equal to L plus L. The both sides are dimensions are equal. L equal L plus L plus L. Both sides are dimension equal. This is the checking the correctness of the an equation. Since 1 by 2 is the dimensionless. This is the dimensions of equation both sides equal.